is about to start.
You deserve it.
And it has started. Leading now is PDRT on the third lane.
Okay, habol. Habol, habol. Parehas lang, parehas lang.
PDRT is taking the lead for race 17.
Long lang yan!
Dali, dali! Putik!
Ayan! Come on!
Tangina, maunahan pa.
May pagod yan, see? Yung nasa dulo hindi na sumasabay, oh.
Race Dragon Boat Team followed by the Philippine Dragon Warriors.
Diretso lang!
PDRT on the third lane.
Diretso, diretso, diretso!
May pagod yan.
Halfway to the
50 yan, sa
front
50 yan.
Hapit,
50.
hapit, hapit, hapit.
Sa 50 lang, sa 50.
Kunti na lang! Sige! Nice one!
Yeah, recover! Long, super!
Okay, pagod na, pagod na. Pagod na.
Huwag kang titigil, huwag kang titigil!
Bilis kanina.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure to observe the 1 meter distance from the chains for your own safety.
1 meter, 1 meter! 1 meter, 1 meter! 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter!
Lane 1.
Napagod na, napagod na, napagod na!
Last kick!
Lane 2.
Makukuha na natin, makukuha na!
Lane 3. Onslaught Racing Dragons Qatar. Please proceed now to the marshalling area. Thank you.
Habol ba?
Please proceed to the marshalling area for the DB12 Women's Finals.
Nice one.
Lane 1.
Garrett?
Philippine Dragon